Welcome back, GBH gang. It's your girl Ginger, aka Big G, aka Lil Gingy. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Oh, I just got a cramp. And I am back with another video. You already know what it is. You already know what's up. It's about to get wicked. Okay, you guys, as you already well read in today's caption, title, whatever you want to call it, I am going to be re-dyeing my hair with Cream of Nature's lightest blonde and honey blonde. First off, you guys, I just got off of work, so first things first, how am I gonna dye my hair when I have in a protective style already? I've had these lemonade braids, and actually I wanted to call it 3 weeks, but it's actually been like 2.5 weeks, but you know I never keep in my hair for long. They started, like, you can't really see it, but they started like frizzing up because they were really itchy, and I made my cousin itch them for me, and she kind of just like frizzed my hair up. Also, you guys, I just want to change. You know, I've been going through, you know, the motions lately, and every time I go through the motions I act crazy and I dye my hair. So yeah, ginger is still gonna be ginger, but I'm just gonna try a lighter color and be even a badder bitch, you know. But so since I just got home, I'm gonna go change my clothes, and then I'm going to come back to you guys once my hair is fully taken out and we're ready to dye it. Wicked. Okay, guys, I am back, all done. This is gonna be my new go-to hairstyle, by the way. This is how I look with my hair out. So I did do some research, and they said that it's best for me to dye my hair while it's damp or dry. It all depends on whatever I decide. I'm gonna dye my hair while it's dry because I don't feel like wetting it and causing any more shrinkage than what I need. I don't really remember last time when I dyed my hair for the first time. I think it was like, it was damp because I went to sleep with like section clips in my hair, but I didn't wet it all the way. So I'm just gonna start dyeing my hair like this. I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna go get my ring light and everything else to put you guys up, and then I'm gonna section my hair and mix the dyes together. Be right back. Wicked. It should come out around that color. So establish the look I'm going for. Let's hope all is well and it comes out good. And I'm going to be using these 2 glass bowls to mix my hair dye in. And lastly, besides from this, I didn't get this from the beauty supply store. I already had one. But I got 2 deep treatment masks. One from Cream of Nature, of course, the intense conditioning treatment. And then I also got the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil rehydration treatment mask. So you guys, I'm just going to show you guys me making this, a quick time lapse of me mixing it all up together, and then I'm going to start dyeing my hair. Wicked. Poured out the hair dye, so this is the brown. Hold on, I don't want to spill this shit. Oh, sorry. This is the brown and this is the blonde. So we're gonna get to putting it in my hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna put the blonde at the end and the brown more so, how do I say this? On the root, the honey blonde, sorry. That's what I'm referring to as brown. So let's get another hair clip for my hair. And let's get started. Alright, guys, I'm scared. So scared. I don't want this type of haircut. My cousin here is assisting me, but she's gonna pop up when I start right now. So she's gonna be in the tub just chilling. So we're gonna start off with a decent amount of hair. I think that's good enough. So I have small head, you guys. I have a lot of hair, but small head. So honey blonde.
be light. Oh my god, guys.
Is it me or dye just smells like damage? Last year, you guys, when I dyed my hair, believe it or not, it like, when we were done putting it on my hair, it still didn't like fully sink into my hair until we put the shower cap on. That's what you're supposed to do when you're done. So it can kind of like sit in the hair. It didn't do that though until like last minute. Oh, this dye smells strong as fuck. Oh my god. Oh shit. I just know. I know for a fact it's the blonde, bro, that smells strong and damaging like this, because ain't no way. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna keep on applying this. I'm gonna speed the video up so you guys can see me, and I'm gonna have my cousin come out here and help me. So wait. Alright, you guys, we're done applying the dye throughout my hair. This is how my hair is looking. Okay. So, hold on, I can show them the inches. So, I'm going to put the shower cap on my head, and I'm going to hit you guys back up after 15 minutes to see how the color changed. Wicked! Alright, GBH gang, I am back, and it's been like probably like 30 minutes or so. You're not supposed to keep dyeing for that long, but my hair likes to act stubborn. Anyways, this is gonna be the reveal. Are you guys ready? On 3. Count it down. 1, 2. How we looking? Really? You don't like it? Okay guys, so this is the color. As you can see, like right here didn't really absorb the color as much, but that's fine because that means I'm still ginger, just ginger with a little spice. So you guys, I'm going to go and I'm going to the back look good. Yeah, I'm going to go take a shower, wash this out of my hair, and then I'm gonna come update you guys on how it looks. All right, so be right back. Alright guys, look a little rough, but I'm out the shower. My hair are up in like little clips and stuff. I'm gonna take it down. This is the shrinkage from when I washed my hair, but you guys get the gist of how my hair looks. I can't wait until I style it and show you guys, but this is how I'm looking right now. Okay, yay! So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go put it in a protective style, and I might hit you guys up tomorrow when I style it, or you guys can see me styling my hair in the next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. Oh, and I didn't even mention how I went ghosting you guys, but that's for another video. I just love you guys, and Monty Ginger is back in full effect. Peace. Wicked.
Look, all of our niggas know I be flexing. I did 15 on my check-in. Been with time when I'm stepping. Do 38 for the weapon. Woo. All of our niggas know I be flexing. I did 15 on my check-in. Do 38 for the weapon. We go.